Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to set custom controller buttons assignment. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to accessibility. Enter controllers and select custom button assignments. Now enable this function and go to customize button assignments. Select the button you want to reassign and select new function for this button. Go back and it's set. In the end you can switch the left and right sticks. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.